personal assistant at your fingertips 24/7. A personal assistant who can help you to brainstorm the ideas. A personal assistant who can actually help you to write your emails. Or a personal assistant who can actually help you to write the code. And many more things. This is not a distant future. It's here. ChatGPT. So very first thing about ChatGPT. Prompt. What actually is prompt? As I told you in the last video, prompt is nothing but the message that you give to the AI tool to get the response back. It's a simple language or a simple instruction that you give to the tool to get the thing that you want back. Let's just dive into the world of ChatGPT and learn about it. Also to see this incredible tool transforming our lives, how we think, how we do our work, and many more things. You know, 90% of the people are not aware about how to use ChatGPT effectively. I know they are aware about ChatGPT, but how to use it effectively, they aren't aware about it. Now here I am to provide you some of the pro tips how you can use it to its full potential. So let's follow. Before that, I will be giving you one example, so let's see here. Because AI has its own limits. If you want the correct answer from AI, you have to ask the correct question to the AI. It doesn't have the intuitions, it doesn't have the perspective. Whatever you will be asking, AI will be responding you accordingly. So what we are waiting for? Let's just dive into the world of ChatGPT and learn about it. Also to see this incredible tool transforming our lives, how we think, how we do our work, and many more things. Okay, so here is the practical demonstration. Here we will be learning the difference between a good prompt and a bad prompt. So first of all, I will be writing a bad prompt. I will not be giving any proper explanation of the things that I want. I will give a very general prompt. I will see the results, and after that I will be giving a good prompt where I will be specifying everything that I want. I will be assigning a role to the prompt. I will also be telling all the information that I really want out of as a response. So here we go. Let's say I want to go to holidays, and let's ask ChatGPT that where should I go? So I want to go to holidays, tell me where to go, and just click enter. Of course, here are a few holiday destination suggestions based on the different preferences, and it's giving you everything. You are getting a list. Okay, so you got this full response, and now I will be asking a very specific thing. So, my good prompt will be, please act as a travel planner for a 3-day family trip to Paris with a focus on child-friendly activities. Can you create an itinerary including daily schedules and accommodation suggestion? So I'm specifying, the role. The role will be act as a traveler planner or traveler agency. How many days I want to go? I want to go ahead for 3 days. Where I want to go? I want to go to Paris. What things I want to do, I'm creating a context, telling the context that it should be a child-friendly activity, and I'm asking to provide me an itinerary for the same. So once you click with this prompt, see the response. 3 days family trip to the Paris itinerary. Day 1, it's telling you every other thing, right? Arrival and check-in. It is giving you the idea of the hotel. In the afternoon, what you can do. In the evening, what you can do. Day 2 activities, day 3 activities. Isn't it amazing? So, first of all, you just asked where I want to go. It's giving you a very general response that you will just get on the Google as well. But in case if you are really asking ChatGPT about the specific needs that you want, about the specific day you want to go, where you want to go, for how many days you want to go, it will give you all the explanations like this. Isn't it amazing? So this is an example of a bad prompt and a good prompt. And now I hope you understand how much it's important to write a good prompt, right? Now AI prompts can be as simple as, hey, tell me the temperature in the city of India. Or the AI prompts can be something a bit more complicated like, hey, can you write me a message of 2000 words where we will be telling the marketing strategies of a different computer games. So it can be simple or it can be very complicated. But the main thing that you need to keep in mind is to ask the specific thing that you really want to get. As an example, you have to do the proper formatting, the clear specific needs, and to tell the AI what you actually want out of the result. So to get the clear understanding and to tell the AI in the correct way, I will be telling you some pro tips about AI prompts. Those tips you can follow and you can use the AI effectively. That will comprise of the clear formatting, what you want to do, the clear wordings, and the specific things that you want to ask the AI. First step, understand the desired outcome. So writing a prompt is basically and largely dependent what to ask and how to ask effectively. Before a user interacts with the AI, it's important to understand what are the requirements. It's important to understand who will be the audience if you're making a content. It's important to tell the AI what is your goal, what you want to achieve out of it. Step number 2, form actually matter. What you're asking the AI, how you're asking the AI is important. Prompt number 1, can you tell me a place to go, AI? Prompt number 2, can you please act as a travel agency and tell me the things that I can do for the outing? Can you just tell me the places where I need to visit in case if I like the mountains more than the beaches? These are the same prompts, right? Both are asking the same thing. Can you tell me a place where I need to go for the outing? But the detail in prompt number 1 is very much less than the detail in the prompt number 2. And hence, you will be getting an effective answer from the prompt number 2. Step number 3, make clear on the specific request. AI is not telepathic. Also, it's not your elementary school friend who knows you since last 3-4 decades. AI is something that will give you answers if you ask the proper questions. Form clear, explicit and actionable requests. As an example, if you will ask the AI what will be the temperature tomorrow, this is not a very good prompt, right? Because you're not telling temperature at which place, at what time. You're just giving a very fake thing. What will be the temperature tomorrow? Instead of it, if you will be asking, hey, what will be the temperature tomorrow in the city of Bulandshahr in Uttar Pradesh at the time of 12 p.m. It will be a more clear prompt, right? AI will understand, okay, what time you are asking, where you are asking. But in the first prompt, you were not asking anything. It was just, hey, what will be the temperature? It will just give you any result. So that will not be that relevant to you. So we have a simple mantra for that. Act like, write a, define an objective, define the thing that you want. If these 4 things you will combine, you will get the perfect prompt. As an example, act like a history teacher who is teaching in a class and writing an essay about the Spanish War. Also describe it in a Turkish way. This prompt is a good prompt. Tip number 4, watch for length. Sometimes we think, okay, giving so much information in the prompt leads to a very good answer that AI will give us. But that's not true. If you will be giving a very complex prompt, AI will feel it very difficult to handle. So always remember the length of the prompt. Give the specific details whatsoever required, but do not give the additional details if it is not necessary in the prompt. Tip number 5, choose words with care. Do not use the slang words. The words that we use in the daily life, maybe AI is not aware about it. So do not use the slang words. Tip number 6, in case if you want to write a LinkedIn post and you do not want to exceed the words more than 300 in your post, you can specify the limit. So always specify a limit how much output or how much content you want from the AI. If you wanted a long content, maybe you can put, more than 500 words. If you want a very small content, maybe you can put, hey, tell me, and the word limit will be 100 words. So it will be making it concise. It will be giving you under the word limits that you have specified. If you use all the things that I have told you and all the pro tips, you will be getting the more effective AI response. So yeah, see you then in the next video learning about the different AI tools.